Considerando il paradigma menasio, che tu non potevi. Ni patela kalam chigo ngazu po tukilam de la test phimani wa kalam da tela na bias ko nyo ape sanata kama pa kason de pyar po ba mo shi wa de sanga ja ga yotte kama pa tukur se ki ma to kama pa yonde de la yini po ba mo ko yero wa de jizam chi tukilam de kana chi de po bi ke meji ke jo ma shi po ba de marwa pa ti jizam ani chwa de ni na to ko sanji chuna de kazi na me pa ya
Ini jengkung mari patah, gosare.
Could you translate the question?
The first question was whether the Buddha stipulated that Buddhists must be vegetarian or not, and the second question was related to the prevalence of fake lamas, Tulkus, Khenpos in Tibetan society.
Lasso, ini telah tamboti santi chundun di kaziran pasu resina tampo nyantu.
Oh, sorry. The first question was whether or not the Buddha, in fact, was a vegetarian.
Ini nyantu ini tapal kapsu ini santi chundun.
So in terms of the early Buddhist tradition or the Hinayana teachings, the Buddha was not vegetarian. Distinctions were drawn in terms of different kinds of meat or different kinds of ways that meat was obtained. There were different rules regarding what was permissible and what was not permissible. However, in terms of the Mahayana tradition, then it is quite clear that eating meat is not permissible and that everybody should be vegetarian. And since the Tibetan tradition embodies the Mahayana tradition, then this is the stance that the Tibetan tradition inherits.
Ya, ini telah nipati lain na ini ngarang lah ini cukup thola ini tahun kasih kadas yurjela. Cukup saya di sana yo mari ini tidak sih, jadi yo mari sih, jadi sisi ini cukup nak apa jaga mez, macam ini logik thola ini cukup mampu semua ini tu macam buku ini tu tambah dalam ini jadi lakshin jaga ini logik thola semua macam tahta yang yori, buku macam nanti yori, ini lah jadi yang mez, ini macam ini Ringi sajiga senchuni tini tagasu tini chirko tini munzin shi 그 랑르 teso tamchi ko chori orede tini mama yapo yopa teso tamchi mepa chaksongi gyamsanji tani ta ngasu tata ina ngasu ta pena ngarang chirki yunzi sana ngarang nga yunzi sana choko yore tini pena jina basu merkya chiga langsang go mara jarni tini debizi kyoni nga chirki yunzi sana chokori ti kyo mare ze kanda chichi ze tela nong yo mare rinpa yo mare chichi yo mare Tenji Gimson Kitty Natu Pongo to Chutelan, Halepa, Nota Halepa Mombos, Yungundu, Benadari, Karanga Sonson, Turku, Chipo Mayan, Kambo Zaman, Chokori, Gishi Zaman, Chokori, Yoreta, Yuna, Tanatu Tata, Poinatin, Kambo, Zuma in Bazakatini, Yanchi Shaga, Gishi Zaman, Shaga, the Tidia. You kill it, our Nepal is able to visit the mother, in a Pidimon, Mutata, Mundu, I think also you took it only. Turkizikita late opposite to the Turkey, Cambodians in a Mantayan, Tojungotomi, the video, Gilshis in a Mantayan, the Tojungotona days ago, Chichigo, and our Turkians in Jama, they researched it. Nuta Paymo, Jamala Mario, Nuta Mambo, Pasak Gala, Nuta, indeed, Shetan Titola, the Yakumaris and the Sunday. Yena Yapomaina, Yapomaina, Yapokadichi, that's all I should do. At the nearest, Dordini Shana PTC.
So the